today's deep dive is focused on this WordPress plugin. WPExams it's called.
Oh, yeah, for sure. We're talking about actually bringing online exams right onto your WordPress site. Pretty wild, right?
Yeah, pretty wild indeed. So to get us started, what exactly does this plugin do? What's the big deal?
The heart of it. WPExams lets users take exams right there on the front end of your site.
Okay, interesting.
Like quizzes, tests, even full-blown certification programs, all happening within your WordPress world.
So let's say someone's on my blog reading about, I don't know, medieval history.
Right.
I could just slip a quiz right in there to see how much they're grasping.
Exactly. And the cool part is you've got options for how those exams work. You can set time limits if you want, or let people go at their own pace, whatever makes sense for your content.
That's neat. Yeah. Now, I'll be honest, coding's not my strong suit.
Yeah.
How hard is it to actually get these exams up on my site?
Well, that's one of the best things about it. WPExams works with these things called short codes.
Short codes.
Yeah, think of them like little puzzle pieces of code. You just drop them right into your page. No need to get tangled up writing complex code yourself.
So it's like I'm speaking this secret WordPress language, telling it, hey, put an exam right here.
Pretty much.
And poof, there it is.
You got it.
Yeah.
And it gets even better. Ready for this? WPExams even lets you customize the look and feel of the exams.
Oh, wow. Okay.
I mean, you can make them blend right in with your site's design or go for a totally different vibe altogether.
Interesting.
You know, like imagine building a quiz that feels like some kind of interactive game or like a super formal certification exam. WPExams gives you that power.
That is cool. That level of customization is really something. Now, how about the questions themselves? How do I go about creating those for the exams?
Okay, so that's where this thing called the questions custom post type comes in. It might sound a little jargony, but basically think of it like this. WordPress has these different like filing cabinets for various content types. Well, WPExams creates a dedicated one just for your exam questions, keeping everything nice and tidy.
Gotcha. So I've got this organized cabinet full of questions. What's next? How do I actually build the exams themselves?
All right, so there are two main paths you can take. The first is creating what are called predefined exams. This is where you, as the admin, you get to handpick specific questions and set the whole structure. It gives you a good deal of control.
Okay, I see. So that's perfect for like really formal assessments, right?
Yeah.
Where you need to make sure people know specific stuff.
Exactly, but then there's also the create your own exam option. This one lets your users build their own random quizzes from that question bank you've put together.
Oh, that's neat. So I've got the control to set specific exams, but I can also empower my users to test themselves. That flexibility is pretty remarkable.
Right. And it's all designed with the user in mind. Like, let's say someone starts an exam, life happens, they got to step away before they're done.
Happens all the time.
No problem. WPExams lets them come back later and pick up right where they left off.
Oh, thank goodness.
Yeah.
I can't tell you how many online quizzes I've abandoned because I couldn't save my progress.
Yeah, it's the worst.
So what about when the exam is finished? What happens then?
Well, after finishing up, users can go back and review all their answers and see the results, you know.
Right.
It's great for providing feedback and really reinforcing what they've learned.
So it's not just about testing people. It's also about actually guiding them through the learning process. I like that a lot. We've covered a ton, from setting up this WPExams plugin to creating all the questions and delivering the exams. It really does feel like a versatile tool, doesn't it?
Oh, absolutely. Like, it's like that Swiss Army knife everyone wishes they had, you know?
Yeah.
You could be using this to make fun personality quizzes for your blog readers. Maybe you're building online courses and you need a way to check your students' progress. WPExams can handle it.
It really gets the wheels turning, doesn't it?
Yeah.
Like I'm picturing businesses using this for internal training or for professional development. Could be a game changer.
Yeah.
What's standing out to you as like the most exciting application? What are you thinking?
I think for me, it's the potential to really personalize the learning experience.
Okay. Yeah.
Like using WPExams not just for straight up testing, but for more interactive modules, self-paced courses, things like that. That's huge.
You know, that's what I find so exciting about this whole deep dive. It's not just about some plugin. It's about rethinking how we approach online learning and engagement.